know, and it's only low now say wow. Now you are working.
Sure.
Because I quite remember the last time you came here. Now you are here again with another song. Meaning say a foot at the mound you are listening.
Exactly. And it's a say no. Beka is very me buy no.
Yeah.
Because say yam contibium.
Yeah.
So I say and you buff for good.
Yeah.
And that yana be feel so we jai boy ye mobium.
Yeah.
So say it's no
Akoma
say this time around yam konsa.
Sure.
And then more sense to those times, you know.
Okay.
I will be to me a jar to more maybe a later was a banner. Say the amount 4% or more can day in and day out.
Yeah.
It is happy paper. We create a betray him.
Oh, a year back.
You will be free more.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Baby into Baby Jim and somebody.
Oh, wow. That's how you know, Mr. Major. Yeah, well.
Just that the problem, man, is a Hamid be you do watch your dear. Yes, it's
wow.
Yeah, you betray no prank, my drop you that.
Good. You talked about say Sisiano new memoir kakra. Can you tell us? Then assistant with music industry.
Oh, what's those times now social media no ni ho ne sane man so I say it's and social media another Roma. Ebuama news be to spread so quickly.
Yeah.
Those times and those times is no CDs, cassettes,
yeah.
To me try just be our album answer.
Okay.
But this time company album I'll be to me I release no single by single.
Yeah.
Will be episode tune day in and day out.
Okay.
So I say it's name me sister.
Good. And your master about star on the answer.
Yes, say I don't amount for pay. So I say, and the entertainment into the open also stick it to it.
Yeah.
So I'm for rap, I'm for some to rhymes, some to words out, at the same time, we'll say two. What I say.
Okay.
It's no so no naman for the name. Obi and say Joe Frazier there or per rhymes. Yeah, I didn't know. You can do away with that. And rhymes so they are quite say a more still home. So that be or rapping rhymes in the more.
But rhymes in the I'm say minim competitor. We are assuming in Ghana. I don't think we have a competitor.
Yes, Adibia, we are now you yemse we are. I was so sure now we started rap, you know. To rappers dozen.
Yeah.
But me who said rhymes, you know, Eddie. You know, and then so my rap in the day. You know, just a word Swati say, na DBA so unya ho adaje wadwenu bie wo ho.
Okay, it take you how long to get all these rhymes put together?
say I actually Swati say, actually, and na my yama na kame ho. It's me am say me compose lyrics na rhymes ni anymore. I na me feel me say me nyehwe. Okay. So because obi one pay and no obi person tie free Joe Frazier.
Sure.
Sometimes we show challenge try freestyle obi pay rhymes no. So I say.
Okay.
Na hanti abeye part of me.
Good.
So no even though mother easily but I mean abeye part of you no there also spend the time on that.
Okay, enyimpo fire abey yempa hontoma kakrai. Enyum no yenyum ben.
Okay, title no the After Church.
After Church?
Yes, featuring King Paluta.
Sorry, man.
Enya sorry. I hope so, Bebo, right?
Sure, I'll be playing the song, but you can't want them.
Yes, After Church. Since After Church, the more activities cost. That's what I say. Number one, after Ghana, a Christian country, and it tells us yem fire sorry Konyagro. So I say.
Yeah.
It's Obia will be Sunday now. Or sorry and some of the snackway. It's after check the whole Latin course. And now so doors system.
I see.
Because
my flow after church. And your mail course on me entity be. Yeah, man.
After church, they send you a course because a human come out on this one. I can you cry.
Remember you know, but me person my kakra after church and some way new Messi see.
Remember kakra. I was just say, and you know come out on this one come and come through you because after church and you Messi. After church, and you after church. I'm telling you,
they're sorry about the body, no.
After church, and you it's I know the kasi car.
Yeah.
Yes, it's, you know, that was where I didn't pay free by.
I see.
Yes, and nyatwe no so dawson so atia say some people want was here come on crofo.
Okay, great. It's your flow nyum na be
my flow kakra concept
okay.
Frankel Foundation man like what see king of rhymes after church squad for your more live hey yo ouch right Joe Frazier yo
I am Ken Paluta
hey yo
oh na
hey yo squad back ko share Saturday ya be so penye adentia nyachom squad back ko share Saturday ya be so penye adentia nyachom hey yo after church I'm on for koya calls ya all broke bro I go share till night falls after church obi koya kala spy more like a bit dia pure Korean meat pie after church obi koyi the bow tie I go high ni red fit the most high after church obi ko di mutuo why you sardine to say so the near yuri tuo after church na who said tuo call church when num say wa mu take a tons to say dash after church obi ko fana lomo I go chalomo oya omu kori kalomo after church said dickness obichi washimini obi komye mia wokochi after church obi kwachi shisha kroma yede oya Sunday school teacher after church obi koye deal abejim paibo so for some and zeal after church squad echo di bone ajibe bia to some pampan ne momone ayo squad back ko share Saturday ya be so penye adentia nyachom squad back ko share Saturday ya be so penye adentia nyachom
after church yeah GME with his stress more popping with the girls after church yeah after church yeah GME with his stress more popping with the girls after church
Kimpaluta King hey yo Brad Joe for example after say if my Adam apple ya sumnyame but they are demons in the chapel the period ya dream feel with the Bible after church ya forget the Holy Ghost fire ya ni otoyo mwana reattire ya suffer bagan nese go besa wo besra mana twina me chere ni kotashi biase go Jeremiah after church that keys this suffer but 25 chere hwa ho masana you do no bantam pena ya bofe ma ku opanyi ni pia turu wash after church sisia ya sajas sum ni po na so hona murias ko papa ya na ya den rough tina ya se poni ya de change all off after church ke pon ko chiasra wadi benku odin sadin sesra after church na usa man for who dot e bi pekwe omodi gocha apio hot after church obi kochi manso kwabrane onu betwe more than nanso after church obi akotomuna wan hye ne ho so ya friend wo antenna after church obi konom tramo like a mahogany and many more hey I'm on for crowd sorry after church that who say my fears what after church obi kowo obi knife okodiewu asa komiemia obi wife hey obeye nyuna ye nyunu obone pifa ho to say fia enyunu after church you only the worship the smasi don kwa omo tie friend caution after church out there kobodia this is funny the refi yesu asendua ayo squad back ko share Saturday ya be so penye adentia nyachom squad back ko share Saturday ya be so penye adentia nyachom
after church yeah GME with his stress more popping with the girls after church yeah after church yeah GME with his stress more popping with the girls after church yeah
Big Joe Frazier yo after church and I hope you're feeling it wherever you are and you know shit now sound some way you know see after church
it's a big crash
omo moko who judge Omo mo koto mu na.
After check the name see you. Hey, and I'm for my gym pipe we are. They make this after church. Hey.
Big Joe, why are there? Seriously, why are there? Putting all these words together. And then some more can say no create road.
I'm telling you, after church.
When you be there for him.
Big Joe, in fact,
bro.
Only I say I no. In fact, a Juma no why. Uti okanyum na 4 minutes and some seconds.
Yeah.
Into your car say wa nya wo tre kura tun sen ke bi e be ko 10
minutes.
Yes, man for after church no. Obi a de nso wo mu bi o ha bi anya ne. Bi anya ne de. Do de man. Me sheka de man. Nya so me fa me de. Ya ba che de ne de. Sport to anya ne de. Na ya ko anya ne de wo yi sa.
Obi anya ne de.
For about 20. Wo se o kura de se me wo na bi kan do de man. Yeah, I feel say I feel I'm feeling Joe the old time ne pa more. What do you understand? They was catch say top notch. And you remember the two me by na meet you.
Yeah.
A beautiful song. And you see the rhyme and now Yana Joe, you know. This time why ain't too much crime and I'm telling you.
Yeah, man.
And I knew we say I hated this year penny. Man I'm a catcher. I'm telling you and later part of the song no. Beat be shall say a bah on chili ho baby, minimum over no.
Finishing touches.
Yeah, I say feeling be yes, feeling be better. Although so boy later part of the song no. I say groove be ba who be I say on the mention. Oh there both here and And you know, very beautiful. To Joe, big ups to you now. Many but just say all the time, no said not Tony Cano, or they be more because Kimpaluta, so the justice to the song. Go show me the free buyer or over Shasiano. Over Shas, or say that no corners. I will create line, maybe you want Sana or Tiatin line. Oh, na so no, I wear create line, you hosa. And they have created now, Musuri and new Jews. So no. What I say, I'm catching up. Where are we? So until you now from Paluta to what's the guy when I took cross no
Kwapsi.
And uti you now because of Bradford ne Kofi B style of music be way back. And wama feel no bibia o now. Rhyme na soon.
Sure.
High life sad also womb. What feel no womb. And I want hardcore rap on also the other side. Into a maya all in one. Into Nkabeka say one man will draw Ishia na ufufu. Simple.
I don't send you more day baron.
And feature me
very joke. Last time I come from one year.
I want to be afraid.
Oh, yeah, be sure.
My big shaker. Okay, so Shaker, you also comment on the song. Yeah.
I think 3 days ago na minya kitwe bitie.
Oh, okay.
So na me dwene how ye be marry friend saying Kimpaluta de Abajo style nim. So
say Kimpaluta no be say do sing it.
Or sing it.
Na ka do aye.
No, like
you are thinking, yeah.
On say esno the way Kimpaluta ne rap, na esno the way Ajo so.
Exactly, yeah.
So me na me dwene the way omo no be simi, but the way Obabe used to Joe words.
Yeah, ni tone.
So any tone no na ordinary dey na Obabe shape. That was very good.
Yeah.
But on the side of Joe, this time unimade oye. Ne lyrics no troy ni nyina no.
Yeah.
Lyrics no related to ene the way amanfo sikasa was street no so. Initially Joe mo time no. Not the way amanfo sikasa was street no so no different. Intina eno ne ka no ntu kaya oni Miss V mo ye tracks e ba nyina those kind of vocabularies na no use.
Okay.
But this time a change.
Okay.
We are seeing Joe in the new school.
Yeah.
So big up to sound engineer no. Me nimni pa crowd there. Ono an sound engineer. Ono no Emma mekai time Charlie P nom Kofi B nom any Joe Frazier mo nyom. Me all time favorite with Joe Frazier friend saying oni Kofi B. Omo ye Yamame. Me all time favorite. Yamame ni omu two.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Charlie P. Dear Bakuna.
Charlie P. and
Video Bakono. And no Emma me feel but Mecca say, bra, say quite now we see no. Yeah, and maintain those guys with you.
Oh, sure.
Especially Kwabsi now.
Oh, yeah,
I say, or generate chorus now, and no, Diana.
Great. So, and you know out.
Out.
Sites many
maybe all the music play stores.
Title here After Church. Joe Frazier.
Big Joe Frazier.
Brand new.
Yeah, brand new.
Anyway, Yama, it's here for one no
okay. Sure.
Now it's okay. Be an convenience on the song. Okay, to bet me afraid Joe Frazier, Big Joe Frazier is here. You can join us now. Na the walk actually be after church is out. Ubet me afraid share kwai. Na what download you stream me. Yeah, go finance with you.
Tony, as a Nyomna in particular, they are my boss at the way into it. But one thing is that say no and Krano or more connections no.
Yeah.
And the links now they be call programs and they be in medical.
Yeah.
So we'll go to Nenka Big Joe account.
Yeah.
I'm praying say Big Joe who to myself more bad.
Okay.
I've been in the system meaning inside out. And say and no obe feature or mombe feature no. But I do programs now.
Obeko.
Yes.
Okay.
You make sure say or no when you have good connections.
Good.
And I know him to be that.
Sure.
Yeah. Mame Fakos kakra. 0243114497. 0243114497. 032249835. Hello.
2020 the best.
Yes, boss. Kelvin Yana.
And Medina no about AK Love G.
You meet you, Kelvin.
Me my boy Sheka Kwaba and the panelist in my boy Jumewi. Tony, light off on it there and one day woman. It's you when say mamo light off it. Kaka bet me aka share Joe Frazier and say me say mun collabo nkola so. Na mo tense nkola na hiti wi ansa na o mo abefo mo. Ade ba ko ha adwun. Nipa no be play pen hit. Open hit wi na mo e but Joe Frazier dey out there. Our system no dada so at say but they will see final new level no. E be boa no. But e ba no kwa na to ye dia I know say can shut am fa. So you know e no ane kwan so no.
Okay, that's it. Kelvin, hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Dini baby akase free.
Hey yo.
Oh, hey yo.
Show this go.
Hey yo.
I'm ya kai opa what you say. Oh, that's to cleaning watch dog for problem yo. Now go when you are the team kasi here. You want to na ni etisu. Sama mo nyomba ye no. Sama na ni etisu. What you say? Kumuta su mutana. Eh pa na misao. Ini no bi kan na nkura no de mo ntwe mo sanfo mo mla. Nkura na blewo ekiro. Why? Mo so mo nya din kaka na mo de abo ankura no.
Sure.
Yeah, that's it. 0243114497. 0243114497.
Hello?
Yes, boss. Udin baby akase free.
Because I'm free. Super Wagaratus. Yeah.
Also Udin say.
The firm Wagaratus Papa.
Wagaratus Papa.
87.9.
Oh yeah, guy. Wagaratus.
Oh.
Hey yo.
Okay.
Joe Frazier.
Yo, bro.
Link up brother.
Hey, Wagaratus.
Hey. Oh, yeah. You took a chair.
Oh, Charlie.
Oh, we are sorry to make mama mommy a year.
Oh, I just show you, bro.
Oh, yeah. We are OG. The cow
Amen, bro. Hey yo, Wagaratus Papa. Yo. All right, so
link up senior brother. Link up also studio.
Link up Shahab.
The senior brother friend. Great. So Mefa Collins best you know account na pay. So kwe
ye.
All right. Hello.
Tony.
Yes, boss. Udini baby akase free. Boss, much with you.
The Joe Frazier is an asipa. Then you ma one yama me no. The papa. We bonus
yeah.
You onye no. And the now partners make cancel this aqua. As I some I know imagine. I say mostly we find the pictures are horror now. I am not so I'm one who has a ninja. I want to
Akoma FM.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, some more. Hello. Yeah, we didn't baby I got free. Sorry, went to me and you know so it Big Joe Ebony wrap up. To sing your dear is out already.
Yeah, it's out already.
Now video no so I video.
No, I feel I'm be a video though.
Oh, yeah, you share video and him go see that because and you number say they can video a movie together.
Sure. See, I feel I might put things together inside. Things about 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time the video will be ready.
Yeah.
Great. Last call any hello Dini baby I can say free. Sorry, wait to me, you know. So, you better say,
Mr. Damas,
this year, there, the new song near After Church. After Church. Now, tell me about your social media handles.
Yes.
Ejina so there.
Ejina so, okay.
Okay.
See, I'm on phone right here.
The ID no then.
TikTok no you kind of say Joe Frazier GH.
Joe Frazier.
IG Big Joe Frazier.
Okay.
Facebook Big Joe Frazier. Twitter Joe_Frazier GH.
Okay.
And I can't hear him. That's right.
And also dear, but no one on our dear.
Sure.
All right. So Big Joe, but that's it. Squad, so be happy with the new song.
Sure.
Ochina say After Church, you know my because.
Hey, Ochina After Church. Me from where share me one joint together. Ya shall see.
Yo. Ouch! Yeah. Joe Frazier, y'all.